You can download a free 30-day trial version of ActiveData for Excel by going to our website at informationactive.com. Click on the free trial link and then enter in your email address, confirm your email address, and finally enter your name. Scroll down and then click the Submit button. You'll be presented with a link to the software. The file's called adata.msi. Click the link and then select Save. This will place a copy of adata.msi on your computer. The download should take less than a minute to complete. Once the download is complete, click the Run button to start the install process.